it's time for a giveaway. I am so excited to share this with you guys. I am doing my brand new curriculum as a free giveaway right now on my Instagram account. If you are not following me over there, head over there and you'll see a post with all of the information that you need so that you can sign up and get registered to win this curriculum right here. It's Heroes of Character. You will get the full teacher's manual, which comes with everything you need to do the entire thing. And it is a curriculum that is based around nature study and historical heroes like missionaries and people from American history that you can use to teach your children good character skills. People that you want your children to look up to and to be like in their own lives. Okay, so what does the curriculum come with? It comes with all of this. You'll get all of the posters for all of the character traits that you get to hang up in your home. They are beautiful, guys. There's one for each trait, and they're all so beautiful. You can get these laminated, print them out on cardstock, whatever. Okay, and then you also get 12 complete lessons. Each lesson has a character trait like you're going to work on. Right here, obedience is this one. It comes with an original definition for you guys, a verse. You get the whole story for whoever your hero is for that trait. You get a nature story with a picture. It comes with coloring pages to go along with that, as well as drawing pages and copywork pages. You also get ways that you can practice these skills at home, like games and activities, and you get a full book list to go along with that of other picture books, because I highly, highly believe in learning through literature. So you'll get a whole book list that goes along with that will reiterate those character traits that you are working on. So what are the character traits that I have covered in this curriculum? All right, look right here. I've got obedience, diligence, patience, contentment, honesty, attentiveness. Guys, these are all traits that you want for your children and that you're striving already to have them work on. The next 6 are wisdom, self-control, compassion, sharing, being thankful, and joyful. Guys, these are exactly what you want for your kids. This is how you want to teach them and to get them, behaving and being like the people that they were meant to be. So if you have not become my friend already over on Instagram, head over there, find me. It's Down Home with Lemon Pie, and you will be able to find this curriculum where I am doing a giveaway right now, and you'll see all of the steps that you need to take to be able to enter it so you can win it for yourselves.